I'm gonna climb in the trunk. I wanna make sure it's sealing correctly. And the way you find that out,
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner, this ain't a persona.
I have a Ford Taurus here. This one got tagged in the back, has a little damage on the trunk lid here, and then the rear body panel. The rear body panel is destroyed. And then it gets a new bumper cover, a few other parts in the back, but it's also getting this new rear body panel. But first, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a pull on this, just to roughly pull this out. Reason being is the way this is stuffed, it possibly could have moved when this went in. It could have moved these taillight pockets or something like that. Wrong side. I got this one lining up good. Shuts and latches good. I'm gonna climb in the trunk. I wanna make sure it's sealing correctly across the bottom here. And the way you find that out is you'll see daylight come through at the seal. Like if I push up on this trunk lid, you guys see the daylight? It looks like it's sealing good, latching good. I'm going to go ahead and pull this one back apart and get that rear body panel all welded in.